CPI data report, which is the inflation report, gets released tomorrow, 1 hour before the market opens. And this is everything that you need to know about it. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. I wanted to ask you guys, I do not have to, we do not have to, but if you want me to go live so we can watch it together, all I ask you to do is get this video to over 500 likes and make sure you subscribe to the channel. If this video does by tonight at midnight, I'll make sure that 1 hour before the market opens, I host a free live session on this YouTube channel so you could tune on in and we can watch it together. With that being said, very quickly, I did short MSTR, but just like if you follow me on Instagram, I shared with you that I closed at my short as it was approaching the 360 support. Lower highs, lower lows, and then ultimately ended up changing direction. The 5-minute time frame is a big hack with this. Sometimes the 1-minute time frame encourages me to take impulsive decisions. If you ever overtrade, slow things down. The 5-minute, in my opinion, is much more clear and really slows things down. $2,600 is what I made, and I left myself with no open shares. I do not carry my shorts overnight, did not care to. The second short that I had today was HSY. I carried a little bit of my short from yesterday that I opened on Hershey's due to the huge gap up. I saw there to be pullback potential as an overreaction, and it sold off an additional 3% today. I only caught a very small amount of this, 1.3K, and again, I closed out my entire short, not carrying any of my short actually open. The only other one that I have right now is Tesla. At one point, I was down over $4,000 on Tesla. I'm only down $600, $500 to $600. I still carry the position overnight, and maybe it's just me. I still have a small portion of this position open. I see there to be a lot of pullback potential because of how overbought Tesla is. Don't get me wrong. Tesla is incredibly bullish right now, and this is a super risky short because Tesla can continue to rally. Again, I'm not here to pretend to be perfect. I just want to share with you what my current trades are. The only one that I currently have is Tesla as an open short due to how overbought it is. And remember, when I short, I make money as the stock retraces. So I'm excited to follow up with that. Now let's go ahead and jump into why you most likely tuned on into this video, and that's the CPI data report. For those that do not know, according to the CPI data or investing.com, tomorrow's expectation is for inflation to come in as expected. Our current inflation rate is around 3.3%. We expect to come in at 3.3%. So at least that's for core inflation. Overall inflation from 2.6%. We actually expect inflation to go up to 2.7%. This would be, if I'm not mistaken, the second month in a row that we actually expect inflation to increase. Now, where does this report get released? Again, 1 hour before the market opens. It's at bls.gov/CPI. I do want to host a live stream, but I'll leave it up to you guys. If you want to do it on your own, bls.gov/CPI is the official Bureau of Labor Statistic website. You click on PDF, and this will be after 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That this should refresh. It should no longer say October. It should say November 2024 because, again, the month has to complete itself, and then it gets released in the following month. That being said, this will tell us, again, what's the overall inflation for the last 12 months, what's core inflation, all items less food and energy, and then I will break it down, again, based off of the new month that is added versus the old month that's taken away. This is, again, just a line graph. It just illustrates it differently, and then we can look at the line items and based off of from October to November, what items within these lists saw an increase or a decrease in inflation. So again, what is the expectation for tomorrow? As of right now, we currently sit at a 2.6% inflation rate. That is our current inflation rate as of the month of October. As of tomorrow, the current expectation is 2.7%. So we expect it to increase by 0.1%. We will see. If it comes in higher than what was expected, can the market sell off? If it comes in lower than what was expected, can the market skyrocket? Remember, the stock market does want the Federal Reserve to continue to cut interest rates in the month of December. And I believe that based off of what is released tomorrow, will be the nail in the coffin to determine if they continue to cut interest rates or if they pause because there is no need to. So again, we will see a market react to this. It's a fun time to tune on in. And if you're not doing anything 1 hour before the market opens, which is at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, feel free, subscribe to the channel, drop a thumbs up on this video, and I'll see you tomorrow for that live CPI data report. Other than that, I appreciate you guys taking your time and watching my video. Hope to see you tomorrow. If you ever want to watch me trade live to learn more about it, it's the second link in the description down below. I trade live every single day. It's designed for complete beginners, and you can join for as little as $1 a day is what the current sale breaks down to. It's a one-time payment, lifetime access, and again, the second link in the description down below. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.